Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lydia in case you're stopping by for the first time, and if you're not new, thank you so much for coming back. In today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys, or I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this hair. This hair is from Allove Hair. 1 second. So this is the box. I'll show you guys better view in the video, but this is the box and how it came with, and it came with like instructions and all of that on the back as well. This hair is their deep wave hair 4x4 lace front wig, 22 inches, and it is so soft. I don't know what to say about this hair other than it is so soft. It had minimal shedding, and if I comb it, if I brush it out more, it will even be bigger. It will be bigger. You'll see me do all the styling and everything in the video. I definitely recommend this hair. Like, it's so pretty. If you want the wet look, you can wet it even more. So it took them about a week or so to ship it down to me here in Kaduna. So in case you want to order it here in Nigeria, you can. I'll leave all the links down in the description box below. This hair, like, trust me when I say it's full, but then it's lightweight. It's amazing. Like, so the only con I'll say I have about this wig is that the wig wasn't my size because I didn't give them the proper measurement, which was my fault. So in case you want to order this hair, make sure you know the measurement of your head circumference and indicate that while you're ordering for the hair, so that when it comes, it's going to size you properly, it's going to fit you properly. You'll see what I'm talking about in the video. So if you'd like to see how I achieved this hair, even though I didn't do anything to the hair, I just bleached and tinted the lace. The wig was already pre-made and it's just amazing quality, so soft. It is soft and it's big. It's so big. You'll see me comb it out in the video. It's so big. So yeah, please let me know your thoughts about this look. In case you end up enjoying it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel as well. It will mean so much to me. I want to know your thoughts about this hair. Please leave them down for me in the comment section, your thoughts and your feedback. I would really love to read from you guys. So guys, going into the video, this is the hair, Allove Hair, and on the back of the purple packaging, so this is how the hair came. It came in this purple bag. So on the back it just has like the codes, the barcodes and stuff. So the main box itself is pink, really cute. I love it. It has some flowers on it, and on the back has the care instructions from the manufacturers. So I do advise that if you end up getting this hair, please read all these instructions. They will help you care for the hair as well, so really important. And then it also came with a wig cap. I don't know what the wig cap is for, but I'm going to show you guys in a bit. So this how it comes. It's sealed, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut open that seal with the scissors, obviously. And the hair itself came pretty secure. And the thing I noticed first about this hair is that it did not have any of those funky smells that hair usually has. It smelled okay, it didn't have that smell. And then this is the wig cap I was talking about. So if you know what this is for, please comment down below because I don't know what it's for. So anyway, I'm showing the length of the hair. It's 22 inches and it's a full head wig. So the frontal part is just you're going to see it's the 13x4 frontal, and I'm going to tell you guys further down in this video my con about this hair, because so far the hair came really amazingly packed. You can see even the frontal part has like a padding so that it doesn't lose shape, and then it came in this net form, that this net thing that protects the hair, this tiny net that I'm pulling off now. So yeah, I think this was really nice because the hair is curly and it would have tangled so bad otherwise if it was not protected, or so I thought. And then the hairline as well on this wig is really full, which I'll show you guys in a bit. I didn't go ahead to pluck this hairline in any way because, you know, I was just, by the way, I was jamming to the songs, guys. So you see me dancing and enjoying myself. So this is what the inside of the wig looks like. I really think the wig is very well constructed. Like, can you see how neat that is? Very neat, very well constructed, very well thought out. And this is how the lace matches me before I go ahead to tint it. So I'm just showing you the, what's it called now, the frontal, like the hairline itself, so you can see pretty much what we are working with, because like I said, I didn't pluck this in any way. So I'm going to show you guys in a bit what I do to customize my lace by way of bleaching, tinting, and all of that good stuff. So this is just how it looks, how the hair came. And I'm showing you guys, it came with 3 combs, but I went ahead to cut off the 3 combs because once I put it on my head, it wasn't comfortable. So I just took them out and replaced it with a band. So I'm using BW2 bleach and 40 volume developer. So I was very gentle with this because with 40 volume developer you can easily mess up. And this is the shampoo I'm using, the purple shampoo I used to wash off the hair. So back to the developer, I'm saying I used it very gently because I knew that if I let it sit on too much, the root of the hair might actually get bleached. So I mixed in the 12 volume developer as well to help reduce, to dilute it in some way. So that's what I'm mixing in now. And yeah, I'm just going to mix it to get a very thick consistency. If you want me to go in depth into like bleaching and all of that in my own way, definitely comment down below and I'll work towards that video. But I feel like a lot of people have already put it up on YouTube, but then I haven't put it up. So if you want to see mine and how I do my stuff, let me know. So to bleach it, I'm going to go ahead and pack this hair out of the way, because if bleach touches any of these beautiful curls, it's going to turn into a color I don't want it to be. So I'm just taking the hair out of the way, and then I have the wig there. I'm going to be using a spoon to apply the bleach because I saw this trick on YouTube where a spoon was used to apply the bleach on the frontal when the hair is already in a wig form. Because it's not in bundles, I can't lay out the frontal flat, so that's what I'm doing there. I'm just going to go ahead and take it and just place it gently, I'm just placing it gently to the point where it meets the knots, but then it's not going to touch the bleed out towards the frontal in any way. So that's what I did here, and I let it sit for about 20 minutes and it was good to go. So I'm showing you that the bleach didn't pass through the lace to go to stain the frontal and bleach the roots of the hair. So this is when I've washed it out with that purple shampoo. You can see how good it looks. Like all the knots are bleached. They are not the frontal is not over bleached, which is a good thing, but the hair's bleached really nicely, the knots as well. Now to go into tinting the lace, I'm just using hot water, red dye, and salt. So I put 1.5 cup of this red dye. This red dye is in the shade tan, and I'm definitely going to get a darker shade, probably cocoa or caramello, because I feel like those will match me a bit better. And then I'm using salt to just activate the dye, and I'm just going to dunk the hair into the dye, of course, like no big deal. After this, I'm going to go ahead and wash the hair. So washing the hair now, okay, you can see the water is a bit clearer because all the dye has stuck to the hair at this point. And to wash the hair, I'm going to be using my Tresemme shampoo and conditioner that has keratin in it. I highly recommend that shampoo and conditioner because it's just really good for hair. Like, it's just good, just bomb. So this is what the hair looks like. I went ahead to make like a concoction that I put on the center part of the hair, like there. So the concoction consisted of got to be glue and foundation, so it's going to make that part very clear. Even though I don't wear a stocking cap underneath, it's going to still look that way. And I'm going ahead to oil my scalp because the last time I didn't oil my scalp and it itched me like crazy, guys. So you want to definitely oil your scalp. And I'm using this cream foundation now to just make that cap match my skin a bit more. And then I'm popping on the wig. I really was just enjoying myself. Like, I was trying to see how to place the wig. So this is when I realized that the wig is actually not my size, it's smaller for my head. So if you want to buy this wig, make sure you measure your head and signify the cap size while ordering the hair, so you don't have this problem. So I'm just showing you how the hairline it comes forward, and then on the sides it goes inward more. So I think that's what happened, because if it was on the same line as the frontal, where the frontal stopped, if it was that same line as that, I would have not had that problem. But it went inwards inside on the both ear sides, so it didn't come forward at all. So I'm just going to go ahead and clean off the front of my head for glue application, and I'm going to be using the bold hold lace glue. I just used just one coat today, guys, because the last time I used this glue, it held on to dear life on my head. So definitely long lasting, definitely recommend it, but I don't wear my wigs for more than a day or two, so I had to just use one layer so I can take off the wig probably once I'm done filming or the next day. And then I went ahead to just let that dry clear, and then I'm pressing the lace into it now, just gently combing it with the comb and making sure it melts into that lace. I'll still go in with heat, from my blow dryer, so I used the warm setting, and this is going to further help melt that more. Can you see how the tinting helped this lace blend into my skin very well? So tinting is really important. And then that other step I did for my center pattern, if you want me to show you guys in another video, please let me know. So this is me cutting out the lace. You can see how that didn't come forward at all. So in subsequent times I'll want to rock this hair, my cornrows won't be that plaited back. I'll probably leave my hair out in the front so that it can help me blend it, you know, with that part a bit more. So I just plucked a bit of my baby hair and I'm tying it down just to blow dry the hair more with heat. And this step took a while, guys. It took a while, like a while, so you have to be patient and let the hair melt with the heat and do its job. I'm going with my Afro G styling mousse just for the baby hairs. I frankly think this wasn't necessary, but then I just had to do it because it was curly hair. But then, you know, I just did something there. I'm brushing out the hair now, and this hair is full, guys. It's full. I didn't even brush it out to its full potential, but then this is a 250 density wig, so it's really full, and it's full but it's not heavy, and it's really soft. You can see, like, I'm not brushing it out to its full potential, and you can see how full that looks like. If you definitely love big hairs, you should try this out. I highly recommend it. But make sure you give your head specifications so that you can get the one that sizes you properly. And yeah, that's it basically. I'm just going to go ahead and just spray it down with conditioner and water, which you'll see in a bit. So I'm using the Hawaiian Silky 14-in-1 conditioner, and I just mix it in with water. That's what I use for my curly hairs, and I'm just going to spray down this hair. In a bit you'll see the difference between when the hair is partly drenched and when it's dry. It has such beautiful curls, and I don't even know how to explain it, but the curls are so beautiful. So I'm going to, you know, go ahead and lay it down with my part. I'm going to go ahead and lay it down with, what's it called, wax, and then I'm using my curling iron to just apply heat there to make that pattern very flat and to make that center very flat. So this is what the hair looks like when you drench it properly. Like, it looks so good. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do on the other side. So yeah, I figured I wanted it even more wet, so that's why I'm going in with more of this after making that center flat with the curling iron. The curl pattern is beautiful. Like, can you see? I feel like you can definitely even use this hair to go swimming. It's just so beautiful and so versatile. Like, I recommend it, guys. So yeah, I think that's it. Now onto the makeup portion. So guys, that completes the video. I hope you enjoyed watching me do all the process. Are you enjoying my hair tutorials? Is there something you'd like me to do, a tutorial you'd like me to show you? You know, let me know in the comment section down below. I'm going to see you lovelies in my next video. Until next time, I love you so much. Bye.